great pleasure to bring to you the 21st edition of the most important biotechnology conference, CEBioForum 2023.
I came to the BioForum in 2022 and I met some contacts, but for me, working in an academic research institute, it's really important for me to be able to translate my research, and the CEBioForum really provides the opportunity to make contacts with investors, with companies.
First of all, it's a huge privilege to be here with our Modica solutions. Because on a daily basis we can see that the huge challenge for biotech and pharma companies is how to speed up the production line time and how to cut up its costs.
And I would like cordially to invite you for the next year edition, CEBioForum 2024, which will be held on 26th-27th of March here in Warsaw. So stay tuned and follow us on social media.